LexisNexis has just launched a brand new app, Lexis Red. This app allows you to have access to our legal content within your fingertips by way of electronic devices. It is portable, efficient, and you can customize it according to the needs of your case or your transactions. On Lexis Red, we're continuously updating our content, so therefore, there may be occasions that your highlights may be deleted or replaced by a later version, so how you can find them back. Now under the Annotations tab right here, you'll find that one of the icons is called Orphans, right here. And once you tap on this icon, it gives you a list of all your highlights which have already been deleted or replaced because of the updates. So next time, you know where to find them when you want to refer to the latest development of the law.